2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag, child safety locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.